So today we will understand how to create dual axis chart in which we have one or two measure in a single chart. Okay, so we will take order date and we will take discount or place it over rows, and likewise profit. So over here you can see two charts are now over here, okay, with different axes. So if we take profit as in bar chart, right, and we have discount like this one, and just change the color to identify now. Okay, so now we have discount as in line chart and profit as in bar chart and two different axes. So in order to create a dual axis, we get the option over here this dual axis option. Just click on this one and you will get this thing. So this is a dual axis chart, and you can change the chart details over here from here also, like if you want circle, okay, so you can get circle over here also, and okay, and also what you can do, you can synchronize the axis. So after synchronizing, you can see, because the value is different, so we are getting like this thing, this for discount, okay, and profit is a huge amount, so we are getting like this. So this is a dual axis chart.